Hello everyone, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas here with the trade of the day, and today is ALLK again. So this had, of course, a massive drop yesterday, the negative, I guess, phase 3 data. The stock was sitting at $84 before it dropped down to 10 pre-market yesterday. This turned into, even though it was down 88%, it turned into a great short. However, we started looking at this as a potential bounce now. Okay, I'm going to try to get this a little bit better here so you can kind of see what I'm looking at. So we looked at this as a potential bounce play now, coming off 10. So as I said in the room in the pre-market, I said, well, let's take a look if this comes off 10, gets up to 10, and see what it does. So a couple of things happened. And of course, it did get up to 10, and also it showed up in my option scanner right at $10, right at $10 at 10:10. Okay, that's the time, and the option scanner is looking for stocks having abnormal option activity, and that's why it hit at 10. So that convinced me. Not only, as I was saying in the room, we might want to really look at it when it gets over 10. But when it hit the option scanner at 10, I said, well, let's do it. So this turned out to be just a great trade. I got it just over 10. Before it pulled back, it got up to 11.46. Then it pulled back. I'm not in the trade anymore. But this could be one to keep watching, okay? I mean, obviously it's got the massive gap to potentially fill. Oops, let me just get ALLK on here. Well, let me get to a daily chart. You're going to see what I'm talking about. So obviously you can see right here, it's got this massive potential gap to fill. I'm not saying it's going to get here at all. Okay, I mean, all this news that happened that caused it to crash, I mean, it's still there. However, traders are looking for potential bounces, and they seem to have some cash on hand and all that. So anyway, I would say that next week, keep an eye on it. It may have still some run left in it. But certainly today, it turned out to be a nice $1.50 bounce play, and a lot in the room took advantage of it. I'm going to shut this down. Now, the market's closed tomorrow. This is the Christmas holiday. Christmas is on Saturday, so the holiday is on Friday. So if you celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas. If not, Happy Holidays to everybody. Again, the market's closed, and so have a great 3 days off, and we'll see you Monday morning at 8 o'clock Eastern Time.